Mark Rober, probably the most famous engineer in the entire world, known for his crazy engineering projects and science experiments. But he is also known for his toys company, Crunch Labs, which makes self-assembly toys to teach children to think like engineers that look really fun to build. But Mark, you missed on an entire audience with just making those toys towards children who think like engineers. What about the engineers who think like children? I want some naughty toys, or toys that are slightly to very dangerous that I might hurt myself with. So I, Nightmare Engineer at Crack Labs Co., decided to take the initiative to make 3 of your toys more appropriate towards adults, starting with your boring disc shooter.
And thanks to a little industrial espionage, basically watching the assembly video that Mark so kindly provided, I have a good idea on how to make it more fun. It starts with the regular model of the disc shooter in CAD. I got the chassis ready, the path of the disc, the clip and the flywheel, and finishing with the pushing arm. Pile those parts to fit the 3D printer, and by the magic of smearing melted plastic like a toothpaste, the parts are done.
Perfect.
And we are ready for assembly and testing.
Starting tests with the disc shooter. It doesn't look exactly like Crunch Labs. That's because I eyeballed the entire thing. I really don't know the exact measurements of the device, but it came out pretty good. So first test, we have the device, we have the disc. Now let's just ramp it up to 24 volts. Oh yeah, that is scary. So first test, let's try it out. Okay. Relax, chill. Well, it works.
But you're probably asking yourself, what's the adult part in that? Well, the adult part is not in the assembly of the shooter, it's in the disc itself. Remember using those box cutters with the grooves on the blades? Apparently, when the blade gets too dull, you can plop the bottom part of the knife and break the blade to get a new sharp knife instead. And you're left with this little perfect
parallelogram.
Collect enough of them and hurt yourself in the process.
God damn it. Fuck me, I cut myself pretty good. Got to readjust my strategy. Done.
And they are perfect for the grooves in our disc to create the deadliest mini frisbee ever made. And hopefully future me will make the shooter itself a lot more cool looking.
Remember that I work on a final version for the disc shooter? So I did, and this is what I came up with. We have 2 round balls here to get a better grip of the shooter, which came out lovely. I just love the shape, the balls, the girth, everything. We have a little torpedo here just for the stopper of the trigger of the disc pusher, which is lovely. I also love this one. And for our spiky boys, our spiky discs, I've made a few of them, like 5 of them. They came out fantastic, but they got stuck on each other when they went into the magazine, so I printed a pole to stop them from piling up and getting stuck in the magazine and not shooting out. Let's see. Oh, so clean. Let's another one. Oh, and a third one. Oh, so you can push it, the wheels turn around, another disc is loaded through the clip, and shoot it out. So I need somewhere more open to test this because it's getting a little bit too powerful for indoors. That means I need to get out and touch some grass, really being the outdoors, which is a good thing. It gives a little bit time to think, to get to know yourself better, maybe discover a few new places, think about life, what you achieved in life, compare yourself to every person that came before you, and it's really a good time to be outside and explore. Psych, did you actually think I would go outside and touch grass? What are you, fucking insane? I have this porch that I can test things out with. So let's start. Since I don't have a power outlet anywhere near here, I need some other way to get power to the outdoors. I have the following solution to do so. First, you yank your UPS system from your computer in order to have AC power to your bench power supply. You turn it on and you have an AC power, and then you go and turn on your bench power supply and you have power outdoors. You just get some yelling from this UPS system, but it works. Okay, I have the disc shooter, the final version with three discs already loaded. Let's shoot it at this and see what's the fucking damage. Turning on power. Okay, ramp it up. Shooting at the watermelon in 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I missed. Okay. And I missed again. Let's try again. Ooh. And last one. Let's see the damage. You can see all the shots that we did, and we got some damage to the watermelon skin, but nothing really sticks. And I want something that really stick. I might have just the solution for it.
Remember the box cutter montage? You saw me moving the leftover of the knife to the right? So they are basically even bigger knives that gave me the bright idea to make a disc with those knives in it. And so the deadliest frisbee was born.
So I'm going to shoot it at the watermelon and hope it sticks. 3, 2, 1. I hit it finally. And it didn't stick. Fuck. Okay, I'm going to try a different angle so you can see it fly, and I try to stick it with being a little bit closer. Nothing. Nothing. 1. Still no sticking. Yep, and the blade is all fucked up in. Let's check out the damage. Oh yeah, look at that. That watermelon is a fucking medic, like a first aid kit or something, but no hospitalization, unfortunately.
So I gathered all the damaged parts and fixed them, and then tried to shoot at a more soft fruit. And by soft I mean on the verge of getting rotten.
Shooting a melon in 3, 2, 1. I missed. Hit. And another hit. Still doesn't stick, but we'll try the big one next. Some of the fucking blades are getting broken as well. Shit's dangerous. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my, this shit is really stuck there. Why was it stuck here? Oh my god. Oh, okay, shooting the big guy. Oh yeah, there is a lot of damage here, but still it doesn't stick. Oh, that is pretty deep, man. Oh my, it went all the way through. Too much energy, I think. God damn it. One more time. 1. Oh, another just huge gap. That is going to be so fucking painful. This asshole doesn't want to keep this disc inside of him. Piece of shit. God. Well, it is recommended after you build the CrunchLab toy to upgrade it. So all I can say is mission accomplished. Phew, making toys is really hard. I should really get some help and split the work. Give me a second. Oh, hi there. Nice to meet you. Hey, handsome, you looking good. You looking for a good time? Can't wait to get a piece of that ass. Oh, for fuck's sakes, why can't just you be normal? Go make the toys like we were asked to. Okay, playing it hard to get. Okay, I'll do my thing, but later I want to play with your adult toy that's in your pants, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'll consider it later. Just go make the toy already. Fine. So what Crunch Lab toys should I make an adult toy next? I mean, there is like the paper airplane shooter that is going to be pretty easy to make in CAD, 3D print and build. Get a 3D printed airplane model and just shoot it away. And that's a national tragedy right there. Nah, that's too easy. Let's make a fucking booby trap. God damn, that guy's so fucking hot. I wanna bang him. But how do I impress him? I guess I can do the logical thing and send him a dick pic, but that's kind of against YouTube TOS. So I have the perfect Crunch Lab toy to upgrade to achieving basically the same thing. Okay, so how do I draw a cock? The Mark Rober toy is called an harmonograph or a pintograph, which is basically a pendulum that draws things with its moving parts. But how can I design something like that can draw me dicks? I mean, it's basically a chaotic system. Any small change in the pen position or the configuration of the arms can alter the drawing massively. If there was only a way to predict how this system will behave before I build the entire thing. Well, I have a little secret that Mark Rober hid from you about being an engineer. He hid a really crucial step about engineering anything at all. Whether it's water pipes, mechanical parts, or the aerodynamics of anime titties, you must do the most boring and annoying step of any engineering project, which is simulation. Yeah, you have to simulate it. And simulation are annoying, takes a shit ton of time, sometimes even months. But if you want to predict how your product will behave in the real world, sometimes simulation is pretty much necessary, just like in this situation. And so I started my adventure to find a simulation to draw a penis. So firstly, I started with this FFT drawer that 3P1Poo recommended in a Reddit thread, but after I drew a penis with it, I understood that I need like 200 motors stacked on top of each other, because without 200 motors I wouldn't have enough resolution to draw anything that resembles a cock at all. So that is not feasible. Then I thought I'll try this mechanism drawing simulator, which was really cool, but it will be so hard to learn this entire program and it won't look like the Mark Rober toy at all. So I was pretty desperate at this point and I really was about to lose all hope until I stumbled a GitHub of this beautiful, gorgeous man, Gideon Swak, who made this gorgeous web-based Pintograph simulator that was so good and so fun to play with. So after getting familiar with it almost immediately, it took about an hour until I get a cock drawn out and even a base idea on how my toy is going to look like. And all I had to do now is to make the actual toy. I started designing 2 spinning wheels and a plate to attach a pencil to them later. Nothing breaks, nothing flies. Back to the drawing board. If you notice, the wheels don't spin in synchronization, so I added a gear system to ensure they are on the same speed and position when spinning. That's because of the simulation. They must move immaculately to draw a dick. But this will cause problem later, and we'll start drawing the shaft. Shaft painting tests commence now. Shit. I mean, it started looking like a shaft, but let's see what's happened now. I think I need to sharpen the pencil. That should be good enough. Fuck. More tests required. shit.
The problem is clearly derailment, which is really easy to fix with a design of a cap on the small cog. But that is not the most crucial issue when I built the entire machine.
Moment of truth. No, please don't get stuck. Please. Fuck.
Well, you see, I forgot about the most basic rule in engineering. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. See, because I am an idiot who used a screw without a bearing as a shaft, when big cog goes left, small cog goes right. As soon as I spin the motors to the left, the small cog spins right, which tightens the screw even more. It squeezes the small cog until nothing can move. So I switch the direction of the motors by inverting the power wires.
Okay, again. Fuck.
Again, big cog goes right, small cog goes left, lefty-loosey. Let's try again.
Fuck. Need a little bit more work, but hey, looking close to the cock. We'll continue the work.
And work hard I definitely did. Changing the CAD model, testing and fixing, tweaking and changing until the stars finally aligned. Well, almost completely aligned.
That's a cock. That is beautiful. Beautiful.
Moment of truth. Let's see if it works and draw me a beautiful, beautiful dick. It's drawing it. Oh, that is beautiful. That's yes. Look at it. Fuck yes. I worked way too hard to get this fucking result. Holy shit. Oh, finally. Yes. One more time. Yes. Oh, that is a weird looking dick, but that is a dick nonetheless. I don't know how it will feel like, but definitely not good. But that is a dick, and we have a dick drawing machine. Now let's see how fast we can get this baby to go. Holy shit, that was so fast. I'll see how much dicks I've drawn per second that this machine can handle. Holy shit, scary as fuck, but absolutely incredible. Perfect. And all I have to do is to show it to that guy, and that ass is secured.
Oh my god. It's repeatable? Oh fuck.
Yes,
Fuck
it's
me.
repeatable, you stupid fuck. I planned it.
Oh my god. Oh.
You thought you can hit on me without being repercussions for that? Oh, we don't have HR
my
here,
God.
baby.
How did you make this?
I mean, the booby trap was pretty easy to make. All I had to do is to steal a controller and a motor from my previous workplace, 3D print a bracket for the motor so it would stay in place, get a PIR sensor to detect when someone is passing by, because we are living in the future, Mark, and we don't need wires to trigger booby traps, Mark. And I got the rest of the setup to be done by my assistant, so I can focus on the programming. Okay, good. Yes! But it's working. Yes! Fuck me. Okay, let's try it very carefully. This in here. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god! Well, it works. Perfect. I had to do some testing at the end of the development. Just be grateful we got some pads at the end of that stick because my assistant took it to raw dog into his crotch. Oh. Oh. Oof. This thing is hard. And again, don't try it at home, kids. And just by the end, put the finishing touch. So, are you ready to stop harassing me at my workplace?
Yep, I'm not going to chase your ass. I'm done.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Ready to be merged again?
Yeah, let's just merge together again.
Good, let's go. I feel weird and horny and disgusted all at the same time. So pretty much normal. I hope this represents the superiority and quality of CrackLab toys in comparison to the CrunchLab ones. Actually, I kind of regret starting this company and working in it. The work culture is kind of toxic, a lot of harassment, and I don't feel safe in my own workplace. So, Mark Rober, I know you're looking for more product designers for CrunchLabs, so consider this video my formal job application. I will need $250,000 per year to keep up with the cost of living in San Francisco, and I only work remotely. Thank you for watching.
And this is it. It's called Hack Pack. It's basically a series of really fun programmable robots that can deliver